Hey guys, welcome back. You know, I tell you the truth, I almost didn't film this cook, and because I'm doing wings, and I know it hasn't been that long since I've done wings for you guys, but then I thought, you know, you guys deserve to know how the first wing cook goes on the new Grand Champ. So here I am, guys. Welcome back. I got about 3 pounds of just wing parts that they were frozen. I think they're fully thawed. We'll find out. So they're inside here, and I'm just gonna season them up a little bit, get them on here, get a little hickory smoke going, and just see what happens with them. Like I said, I wasn't planning on filming this, so I don't really know what's gonna happen. So let's find out together, guys. All right, folks, I'm just gonna start off hitting this with just a little olive oil. Not a whole lot. Make sure they all get coated. And also wanted to give this a bald buck slow burn another try, guys. I really enjoyed this last time I used it. I'm not gonna overdo it though. I don't think. I remember a little heat with this. Yeah, that's gonna give us some nice color. Should add a little heat to them. All right, guys, as soon as the fire gets up, we're gonna get these things on. Okay, for now, I'm just going in with the top grate only. Get it in there. I'll probably put the lower grate in a little bit later to finish these off, but for now, we might be able to do most of it up here. All right, let's lower this thing and bring it on up to temperature. Put them on, and you know the drill. We just rotate and rotate and rotate. We'll move them in and out over the fire as we go. Hey guys, just got a couple pieces of hickory wood. We're gonna get a little smoke on this. We'll check back here in a bit. Alright guys, we're about 10 or 12 minutes in. I'm gonna give these guys a flip. I'll probably be putting the lower grate in here before too long. And grill these bad boys off. Oops. I'm at an awkward angle. I like what I'm seeing, guys. Alright, we'll check back in a few minutes, and I'll probably be going down below just to grill them off and get them good and crisp. Time to get serious. Just back as far as we can get it. Get these boys down here over some fire. Be moving stuff around from now on, guys. You've seen me cook wings before. We'll work it out. We'll check back here in just a few minutes. Alright folks, things are moving now. Move this out. Give me a little room. Start turning. A few more minutes, I'm going to check some temps. Oh yeah. And I can't wait to see her steak on there. Yeah. Alright guys. My arm was probably right there in your way the whole time. Sorry about that. Alright guys, we'll check back here in a few minutes. I'm not going to show you every flip I do because you'll get bored. But we do you've seen in my previous wing videos, these move pretty quick. Alright guys, I'm going to check some temps. I'm going to do some rotating, check some temps. We've been rotating these for a little bit. I didn't show you all of it because I kind of thought that might be boring to you. But get some flipped here. I think some of these are probably very close, if not done. I can tell that skin is crisping up. That's what I like. Come here, check some of these. Yeah, so far that looks good. Looking good, guys. I think we're pretty much, there's a couple there that might not be. There's two there that are not. I'm pulling the rest of these indirect, guys. Just to keep them warm so we can finish off just a couple more. I'm not going to glaze these guys. I got some dipping sauces inside. For the record, I'm actually taking 175 is done on these. I'm taking these well above onwards up to really 195, 200. Stay off the bone. This needs a couple more minutes. These last few here, but I'm trying to crisp up that skin real good, and these wings can handle that extra temperature. Alright guys, we'll be back in a few minutes. We'll be done. Yes sir. 204. Oop, get off there. Get off there. 201. Yeah, these guys are done, folks. I'm gonna go inside, guys. I'm gonna pull these off. I'm gonna feed my family, and we'll come back and try these guys out. 203. We're definitely done. Alright guys, how's that for a video? I was not going to make a video of. I couldn't bring you my first wing cook. I almost did just because it ain't been that long since I've done wings for you. But I had to do it on the Grand Champ, try it out. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's get a taste of this. It's got that Uncle Buck's on there, so it should come on a little bit slower. Excellent, guys. I love this. Got some of that hickory smoke. I'm gonna come in here. Got a little bit of this Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo wing sauce. Another favorite. Adds an extra little layer. Awesome. And of course my traditional, ranch. I'm not gonna show you that. Guys, thank you so much. Again, I was gonna do this one. Ooh, there comes the heat. Woo! Definitely comes the heat. Definitely got this Uncle Buck's slow burn. This is newest flavor he's got out, guys. Check him out. I'll leave a link below. He's not sponsored. I just enjoy his seasonings, and this is one of them. So guys, thank you as always. We'll be back. We've got plenty more to go. We're learning the Char-Griller Grand Champ as we go, and I'm gonna bring you along with that. So guys, as always, till the next time, God bless you. Bye bye.